Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to turn on notifications on the X app for PC after the latest update. If you've noticed your alerts have stopped showing or you're not getting updates from your favorite accounts, don't worry, this tutorial will walk you through every step clearly and simply. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several icons and options. Find and click on the one labeled Notifications. This will take you straight to your Notifications Center, where you can view all of your recent alerts and activity. Once you're in the Notifications section, look for a small gear, or the word Settings. It's typically near the top or side of the page. Click on that option to open your Notification Settings menu. You'll now be taken into your Notification Settings area. Choose Preferences from the list of options that appear. This section controls how and when you receive updates from X, including push, email, and in-app notifications. Next, select Push Notifications. This is the feature that allows X to send pop-up alerts directly to your device, even when you're not actively using the app. Once you're inside the Push Notifications section, look for the toggle or switch that says Enable Push Notifications. Click it to turn it on. You should immediately see the switch highlight or change color to confirm it's active. That's it. With push notifications enabled, you'll instantly get updates when someone comments, reposts, or tags you. You can also fine-tune your preferences here, for example, choosing to receive alerts only from people you follow or for specific types of activity. So now you're fully set up and ready to stay connected right from your PC. If this refresh helped you, don't forget to keep exploring the rest of your settings to make X work exactly how you want it to. Enjoy your time on X, and never miss an update again.